Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Getting Started with WeedTech.AI. If you've made it to this video, then hopefully you've filled out all of your account information here and you've got your settings taken care of. If you have not, please do so now so we can move into the next part of the video. And the next part is going to be just getting our products and our plants set up. Like I said, our homepage is going to be the first thing that we see, but we still don't really have anything in here to track. So we need to get some plants in here to actually make use of our system. And we do that by heading to our dashboard. Now, the first thing that you see when you click the dashboard is this big create category right here. And it's got 5 buttons, right? It's got plants, products, collections, locations, and batches. Now, each of these are going to be used for very different things, obviously. And the very first thing I like to do when getting people set up is to set up locations first. Now, I'm just going to set up some basic stuff. Your locations may be different than this. That's okay. I'm just going to set up a seedling room and add that. I am going to set up a veg room, add that. And then I'm also going to set up a flower room and add that. Now, if we head to our home page and click locations, we can see that all of these have been created and they are ready to go. Now, let's head back to our dashboard and let's get some plants in our system to go ahead and start tracking them. So if we click on plant here, we get this box popping up that asks for a little bit of information. So first we need a name, and the name is typically the strain of your plants. So I am going to go with Skywalker OG for this demonstration. And we're going to go ahead and create 10 of these plants. Now it also asks for the stage. So we set this up so that, if you're coming in late and maybe your plants are already in veg or flower or whatever, no problem. You can set all that up right here. But we're just going to count these as seedlings for the purposes of this video and move forward. Now, origin is another beast entirely. This is mainly used for processors, buying product, buying flour and trim, or whatever it happens to be. So we can just leave this alone if we are growers and just focus on tracking plants. So let's just click add here. And immediately you can see that we're taken to a collection. Now, collections and batches are 2 completely separate things, and we'll tackle that a little bit later. For now, all you need to know is that a collection is just a way to manipulate multiple products at once. That's all this is, okay? So just think of it as making it easy to make changes to a bunch of products at the same time. That's it. So what kind of stuff can we do in a collection? Now, we have all of these different collection actions, and we're not going to focus on any of these right now. We're going to head down to our bulk actions because we've already created some locations and we have already set the stage of all these plants to seedling. So we might as well put these into the seedling room, right? So if we click set location and we click seedling room, then those will all be set into the seedling room. Now, if we click home up here, we can see that change has already taken place. We see the stage of seedling, location, seedling, room. Okay, perfect. Very straightforward, no issues here. And that's all you need to do in order to get plants into your system. Now, when you need to make changes to these plants, for example, we're going to say that our plants have moved from the seedling stage into the veg stage. So let's go ahead and click on our collections here. And we have our Skywalker OG collection that was created when we made the plants. So let's click into here. And if we scroll down, we can set a new stage for our products, and we can set them at veg and confirm. And we see this updates over here automatically. And then we can also set a new location in the veg room. Now, this does not update automatically. However, if we go to our home page again, we can see that it has. So have a little faith. That is a visual glitch that will be fixed very soon. And really, that's all there is to tracking your products, right? That's all you need to do in order to track your plants is make sure you know the location of them, make sure you know what stage they're in, and past that, all you need to do is change things up as you need to. So if these have been moved into flower, then we can just click on flower here, and then we can click into our location and set them into the flower room, right? That's all you have to do in order to update your plants. So the video after this is going to be going through the harvesting process. Now there will be a few harvesting videos because there are a couple of different ways to harvest. Obviously, we have dry trimming. If you want to do a fresh frozen harvest, something like that. So there will be a few different videos on this subject. So I will see you guys in the next video.